Hello friends and welcome back. So today we will discuss about scope creep in project management, audits or even contracts or agreements. Why it happens and most importantly how to avoid it and keep your projects on track. So without wasting any time, grab a notepad and let's begin. What is scope creep? Scope creep refers to uncontrolled changes in project scope, often leading to the inclusion of new features or products which were not originally planned, right? It occurs when the scope of a project is not properly defined, documented, or controlled, causing the project team to deviate from its original purpose. For example, scope creep include continuous addition of features in a software development project without proper assessment of necessity or impact. Changes in project requirements during development due to poor change control process or weak project management. Let's understand it more in details. Suppose you are developing a new fitness app. The initial plan or scope is to create a basic app that allows users to track their workout and log calories, right? This is agreed by your team and the stakeholders with the set deadline and what will be the resources required, right? However, as development progresses, the team gets excited about new cool features like heart rate monitoring integration or a social feed for sharing workout goals. These features were not in the original plan, but adding them requires extra development time, right? Poor change control, stakeholders request changes to existing features mid-development. Maybe they decide they want a more user-friendly calorie logging interface or different layout for the workout tracker. While these changes might seem minor, they can disrupt the development flow and require rework. So this is an example of scope creep where the initial plan for the app has grown beyond its original scope, leading to potential problems. And these potential problems include missed deadlines, adding new features or making changes takes time, pushing back the release date for the app, limited resources. The development team might not have the capacity to handle the additional workload, leading to delays in other areas. Confusion and frustration, unplanned changes can disrupt the development flow and cause frustration for the team, right? Let's understand scope creep in audits and agreements or contracts. So in audits, the initial audit engagement letter clearly defines the scope of audit, outlining the areas to be reviewed and procedures to be performed and what will be the reporting format, right? I have discussed more in details about how to conduct an audit and what are the steps involved in audits, each one by one, so you can go and watch that video for better understanding. What are some examples of scope creep in audit? Like any new information comes to light during the audit, asking auditors to expand their testing procedures, management requests additional assurance on specific areas not originally included in the scope, or regulatory changes impose additional audit procedures, right? And the impact of scope creep in audits is delays in completing the audit, increased audit fees due to additional work, and potential for audit opinion modification if the expanded scope isn't properly addressed, right? The contract or formal agreement clearly outlines the project deliverables, timeline, and budget. Some of the examples of scope creep are client requests changes to the originally agreed upon deliverables, adding new features or specifications. Unforeseen circumstances require adjustment to the project scope, and poor communication between parties leads to misunderstanding about the project boundaries. And the impact is project delays due to additional work, increased cost, and damaged relationship between parties due to frustration or unmet expectations, right? So how you can avoid scope creep? Clearly define scope upfront, outline every detail of the project at the beginning, including features, products, budget, and timeline. Document everything. Put the scope in writing and get everyone sign off. Control changes. Have a process for handling requests to alter the scope. This helps in evaluating the impact of changes on the project time, cost, and resources. Communicate effectively. Keep everyone involved and informed about the project's progress and any potential changes. Engage stakeholders. Involve key stakeholders while defining scope and change management processes to minimize the likelihood of scope creep, right? And outsource wisely. If outsourcing vendors are involved, ensure clear communication and agreements regarding project scope and changes to minimize the risk of scope creep, right? So by following these tips, you can protect yourself against scope creep and ensure your projects are successful, right? Remember, clear communication, defined expectations, and a proactive approach are your best weapon against scope creep. So guys, this is all we have for today. I hope you found this video insightful. Please like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Consider joining me on LinkedIn. See you soon with another topic, another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.